Are you looking to sell your home in beautiful Trumbull? And if you are, I've got some great news for you. Hi, I'm Cannone, and I've sold 462 homes right here in Trumbull with a total sales volume of over $200 million. And that's a testament to my expertise and the trust that my clients have placed in me. And when it comes to selling my homes, my houses typically achieve a higher list to sale price ratio. And in today's competitive market, that can make a significant difference to you as the seller. And you know, Trumbull is still a seller's market, but it requires a little bit more of a strategic approach in the pricing, staging, and marketing. You know, I have the knowledge and the experience to price your home attractively, grabbing their attention, and hopefully creating a bidding war, because my goal is to provide you with a smooth, stress-free transaction. So if you're ready to sell your home with unmatched success, let's get started. So I'm Cannone of the William Rivers Real Estate Company, your local trusted agent. And together, we'll make sure your real estate dreams become a reality. Call me or text me at area code 203-209-2529 or email me at j@jcannone.com. And thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.